How to delete Shein app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. But if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So without further delay, let's move to the video. So first open your Shein app and then you will be redirected to a home page like this. What you have to do is go to your profile on the bottom right and then tap on the settings icon on the top right. There you'll see manage my account. Go ahead and click on it. There you'll see delete account, tap on it, and then you'll have to tap on apply to delete account. Now if you want to delete your account, all your personal data will also be deleted and Shein will send a data deletion request to my Gmail account. So I'll have to click it for the link. Now go to your mail. Now Shein has sent me a mail. What I have to do is read it all and tap on delete data. Go to my Chrome again. Here I'll have to tap in either my email or phone number associated with my Shein account. And that's it. After you have typed in your password and tap on sign in, your account will be officially deleted. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video.